Hello everyone, Sanmeet this side, ACCA member and your mentor in LearninGT. So in this video, we will learn how to book center-based exam. So let's get started. Log into my ACCA. Put your username. Now put your password. Sign into my ACCA. Go to book an exam. Accept the cookies. Click on add an exam. You'll see two exam slots, one for March and for June. We'll be booking for March. I'm booking FM exam for the time being. Click center based. I'm selecting my country India and my location as New Delhi. Click on confirm. See, you have to fill session based CBE as there is no on demand CBE and paper based papers for skill level. So, those two options are freezed. Accept the terms and conditions and add to your plan. Click on confirm availability. So, this is the FM exam which is showing here, and the other one is not relevant for you as it is already booked by me before. Agree to the terms and conditions. Click upon the date on which exam is due. It will automatically take the date on which your exam is due, which is 7th for FM paper. So I am finding the exam centers nearby my area, which is New Delhi. So I'm putting New Delhi over there. So see, I'll see all the centers in India now and the centers nearby New Delhi. So I got my centers. Now I'll select the appointment time. Two time zones are there, the morning and the afternoon one. So I'm selecting afternoon one because I'm comfortable in booking afternoon session exams. You can choose as per your availability. Now ACCA is saying is everything correct? Please see whether you have filled the right exam, the appointment date and the location. Click on next. ACCA is again giving you option to review your booking like the exam name, the appointment date and the location. Click on confirm. Submit the booking to make the payment. Now you see pending for payment highlighted in light yellow color. Click the terms and conditions and proceed for the payment. It will take you to the payment gateway, and then you can select the card from which you wanted to make the payment. Once the payment is made, the exam will be booked and you will get an email right away. Now I will show you one exam I booked in the morning session, that is FR paper C. The status it's showing booked for FR. The details are here. So I will tell you how to see the details once your exam is booked. Go backwards on my ACCA. Click on book an exam and you will see your booking over there. Let it load. The site is loading. See, the FR paper is already booked and the status is showing as booked. The exam name, the location and the timings. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching the full video.